Well, here we are again, looking at some Chinese part. Had problems with my Dodge not wanting to start and that, and I'd replaced everything, the distributor for all the way through everything, and I finally decided to change the ignition box again. And the old one, I tore it apart. And this cover here is supposed to be a transistor. It's empty. That goes on the heatsink. The transistor that they're using now is that little teeny one right there instead of the nice round one. These ones here, this one even has a number on it.
Hey man, how big's your hand? Huh?
Even has a number on it that says it's an electrical part. This one is mounted the same way. It doesn't have a number, but I changed the ignition box again, and I pull this one apart and find that the transistor cover is there for aesthetics. It doesn't do nothing but box heat in more. And it was filled with sand underneath everything. And look at that corrosion that was there. This thing's maybe a month old. I bought it like a month ago.
I got that screwdriver there.
And you can see the corrosion on the metal all the way through there. That's where moisture was. So it came with moisture on the inside. A teeny transistor that's mounted there, which is right over the top of that with the cooling sink. With the cooling sink. Now to me, all that would do is create more of a hot spot. Now I've tore a couple of these I've tore these apart before, and that's supposed to be an electrical part. That's put there just to trick you. You can throw that away. So watch the parts you get. Make sure you don't get anything from China.
Yeah, that's impossible. Everything's made in China.
I mean, because they're epoxied in the back, and I've tore a couple of them apart, and I've never seen sand filled in there, and what possessed me to tear this brand new one apart, I don't know, but it wasn't working, and that's what I found. Beware of Chinese shit. Chinese trying to fucking Jew us over.